Hi, dear Lakshmi. Good morning. Thanks for your session. Past 8 weeks, you have conducted very wonderful session. And first of all, I need to thanks to you and as well as Careerera. I came to know the Careerera through my friend who has already completed successfully and attained the PMP certification. Based on that I started to do, and then he have motivated me to complete as well as, and so that I started last month to register on this course. So I approached to Careerera, and then they gave guided me, and then they provided your session as well. So past 8 weeks I really enjoyed your session, and I gained more knowledge on the project managements based on your inputs, and the way of explanations, and correlating with the stories and examples, which I really enjoyed, and to gain the knowledge, and really happy as a part of the last session. And it was a wonderful session to me as well. And the method of teaching really is wonderful to me. So actually I gained a lot of things, and in terms of project management, especially the exam preparations, methodologies and tips, all those things really helped me uh, to understand the concept. And I will set up my goal to achieve it by end of this year. That's my target. I'm really hope I will get it as soon as possible. Thanks, wonderful session. I am really amazing about your knowledge, and the way of teaching methodology. It is very wonderful to me. Thank you for your training. Thanks a lot, Lakshmi.